What's going on, guys? Rob here, 2024 Hot Wheels. We have a very, very cool, the second color of the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. Turbo, 3 out of 5, new for 24, 123 out of 250. End case, and because it's new, you get the right up there, 2023, Detroit, Michigan, Cadillac. Way back, I did the black one, but this one, absolutely gorgeous. I love the body style, especially looking at it from the top. It's got like a little bit of gold trim around. You got that spoiler that runs. It's pretty cool. Take a look at the back. Not much going on. You got the Cadillac badge there. Some nice gold wheels. Little symbol there. Not sure what that says or means. Made in 24, 23. Yeah, I just love the top view. I love cars, race cars that have a wide body stance. This is the other color. It's like it's not a matte black. It's just like regular black with gold wheels. This is like one of the F case. I thought it was like A or B case. F case for the black one. Yeah, it looks so good in the metallic blue. It looks good in the black too, but Hot Wheels metallic blue is my favorite color. It looks so good. Okay, yeah, guys. 2024 Hot Wheels, new for 2024. Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. In the other color, gorgeous metallic blue with gold. And then once again, there's your first one to come out. It's black. Okay, guys.